Alright, welcome to another keyboard review, and this time the video is sponsored by Alcatroz. So Alcatroz has sent me the JELLYBEAN U2000 keyboard mouse combo. Now this is very interesting because I've seen a lot of keyboard mouse combos throughout my time. You see them in all sorts of stores, Harvey Norman, all that electronical stores, and they're all very typical design. And plus, I think the most famous ones that we know is the Logitech keyboard combo. That's the most famous one, the high quality one, if you can say so. So Alcatroz came up and sent me these ones that have rounded keycaps. I've never really tried rounded keycap keyboards before, so this is an interesting one. Wired, by the way. It has a mouse that is also wired. It goes up to 1200 CPI, which is, I mean, not ideal for gaming, but I guess you can sort of use it. I mean, I'm going to test it out, see how it works. Yeah, and obviously slim profile, fits your desk, your office space, your workspace easily, and it's also said that it's UV coated, so cleanliness wise you're good to go. So it says in the bottom that it's compatible with all your Windows and also Mac. Interesting. Alright, I gotta say, I love the color scheme. Matte black and red. I mean, this is okay, me gusta. So this is not like your blue switches gaming keyboards. Now this one is mainly soft and silent, which is interesting because I prefer the tactile feedback, but you know, this is an interesting experience. There's something quite satisfying in the fact that it sounds muffled, it's soft, it's Now this is the mouse, the JELLYBEAN U2000 wired mouse. Not much buttons, it's just your standard mouse with an accented scroller, which is decent. Size wise, I mean, for a large hand like mine, it's alright, it works. This is not suitable for gaming, if I'm gonna be honest with you here. I can see this being used in like an office space, so pretty decent. So this is my Razer Basilisk Hyperspeed mouse. Really huge, really perfect for me. Bluetooth wireless as well. And this is the Alcatroz mouse that comes with the JELLYBEAN keyboard. And yeah, I mean, size wise is pretty decent. Obviously the Razer beats it. I mean, it's pretty responsive. Yes, you can't change your CPI over here. It's just standard 1200, which is pretty decent. I like how the backspace key says oops on it. An interesting touch. I mean, if you are interested in like a typewriter-esque experience, I think this would be perfect for you. Or if you're a student who's looking for a cheap setup, perfect way to go. It looks stylistic, it's very minimalistic as well, so I see this perfect for your kind of setup. If you're a gamer, sadly, I do not think this is perfect for you. I mean, it works, but it is a challenge, especially if you're like a competitive gamer. Then do not use these. But if you're using it for work, typing essays, your assignments and all that, or for work related stuff, yes, I see this as a pretty decent keyboard. So it comes with multiple colors as well. It comes with like a white background with pink keycaps, and a white background with mint green keycaps, and then, oh, not gonna lie, the matte black one is kind of my favorite. And obviously the red and black one, and there's just a fully white one which looks interesting. I don't know, it reminds me of the Windows XP era, not gonna lie. Pretty decent colors, not gonna lie. Starts off at around 1490 Singapore dollars. Comes with multiple color choices, very minimalistic design, looks very good. I mean, what's not to love, right? So yeah, that's all I gotta say about this pretty amazing product. Thank you Alcatroz, thank you Leapfrogglobal for sending me this to review. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like, a comment down below on what you think is the best keyboard mouse combo or other PC apparel that I should or could review in the future. And of course, do hit the subscribe button, because that kind of helps me to grow the channel, do more stuff like this. And yeah, that'll be all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.